Good morning. Granny D here. We had a bit of snow last night. Very happy puppies. I'm going to give the snow a bit of a measure, see how much we've got. I will say though, we're used to this. Yeah. We're used to getting this a few times during the winter. So this is the first real snow we've actually had. Had a few sleeps and showers. But this is the first good snow. Although I hope it finishes soon because I've got plants that want to go out. On that happy note, the dogs have lost their ball. Did it? Where's your ball gone? Find it. Where's it gone? This could take them a while. So I'll leave them to it. Happy days. Bye now.